La 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 la. My PS5 is here. Hey guys, I'm really excited today because why? It's the day I collect my PS5 pre-order, which I pre-ordered on the 12th of November and I'm going to collect it today, which is on the 11th of December. Let's go! Hey guys, I'm finally home with my brand new PS5 controller and a HD camera. So today I placed my old PS2, PS3 and the recent PS4 right next to the new PS5 when I do an unboxing right now. I'm finally back after all the dancing around and celebrating the unboxing of my PS5. Again, it's a Malaysian version of PS5, which I just got it today from the Sony Center in Mid Valley City. And just to let you know, the white box means it's actually this version, which comes with a UHD Blu-ray drive. If the box is black in color, it's actually the digital version of PS5, which costs 1,800 plus. Mine is about 2,200 plus, right? And this is the UHD Blu-ray drive that comes with the disc version, right? So the difference between the disc version is that I can still play my PS4 games and maybe in the future some PS3 games on the next gen console, right? And perhaps watch some Blu-ray movies as well if I get some, right? So, okay, let's compare PS4 with the PS5. In terms of height, PS5 is definitely taller. In terms of width, it's actually wider as well, as you can see. And what does the PS5 come with? It comes with a high-speed USB-A port, a USB-C port, the Blu-ray drive, as mentioned before. On the back of the console, you actually have two super speed USB-A ports, a network adapter, HDMI port, and a power cable port. So, in terms of when people were mentioning there was like the little grains of the triangle, circle, X, square buttons on the controller and as well as the PS5, the inside, the inlay. At first I was like, oh, you know, I was cheated, there were no grains, this is just like some rough dots or something. But then upon using another phone to actually zoom in on it, you actually can see it's actually very tiny. You see, you can't even see it from here. You actually have to zoom in to actually have a look at it, right? So now that we've opened it, I'm so excited to get everything installed and transferred over and get started playing. See you guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe right now. Thank you.